Guys, this is the way you make perfect eggs, all right? Forget about the cold bath. Forget about the ways people tell you. You go out, you buy yourself something called an egg cooker. I got the Chefman. I bought it online. There's a million different kinds out there. I'll show you how to buy it. There's a link in the description if you need some help, and you can check them all out. This thing's awesome. All you got to do, get your eggs, okay? What kind of eggs you going to have? You're going to take them, you're going to pierce them on the fat side of the egg, the bottom part. There's a little piercer that comes with the thing, and you slowly push it in there, and you make a little tiny hole at the top. Don't get crazy and knock it like you're a judge in court. You're just going to push it in a little bit, make a little tiny hole in the top. You take them, you set it on that little tray that comes with it. Today we're going to make 3 eggs because that's all I need. And then after that, you got a little, that cup that you pierce the eggs with. You take it and you fill some water in there. I usually go to the top, okay, because I like the eggs cooked a little harder. I don't want them a little loose. All right, so I fill it all the way up. You want to go make some brushed eggs or whatever they call them, the soft ones, you go down a little lower. You pour it there in that little pan. You set your little eggies down. You lock them in so they can't run away. You hit the blue button, and then they start cooking. Now, you just wait. Go back to doing your paperwork or watching some YouTube or whatever you're doing. Okay, you come back. The machine's beeping. It's telling you the eggs are ready. All right. Now, at this point, it turns off. This specific unit turns off. At this point, you're going to take the top off, or you could leave it on. Let them chill out a little bit because they're hot, baby. They're really hot. But I'm a little hungry, so I'm going to get to it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to unscrew the cap off the top, and then we're going to take those little guys, and we're going to put them in the water and cool them off, okay? But be careful, I'm telling you, when you pull that top off, this thing's cooking, okay? There's some hot, hot steam in there. Usually that plastic piece ain't too hot, though, all right? So I'm going to pick them up. I'm going to take those little ladies over to the sink, all right? And then we're going to start busting them up. All it takes is a few cracks, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. Just a few cracks and it peels right off and you got a perfect egg. You got those Martha Stewart type eggs. Okay? Crack them a little bit. Peel it. Boom. That's it. Okay? That's all you need. You go online, you look at all these recipes, they say and put it 20 minutes in ice bath, all this. You kidding me? Who's got time to do 20 minutes in an ice bath and even get ice ready? And they just want some eggs. Look at these babies. Okay? Go ahead and get you one of these. It's one of the best things I ever bought for the kitchen. I'm telling you, it's one of the best things. Okay? Bada bing.